Hi there everyone, the name here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So as you can see, I finally got the Giorgio Armani's Acqua Di Gio Eau De Parfum. Now I opened this up already because I was doing a filming with my friend. We were doing a testings and I wanted her to have this fragrance in the channel testing it. So I opened it up. I smelled it for like 1 second and I give it to her and I didn't smell it again just because I want to save my impression just for this review. So let's get right into it. So I also got the original here with me, so let's start off with the Eau De Parfum. Yeah, I've been waiting for a long time for this fragrance. So finally Fragrance Buy got it, and they had like it was $20 cheaper to buy it from them, so I picked it up from them. I got the 75 ml, very nice bottle. Very elegant, very sophisticated, looks very classy. As soon as I saw this on Fragrantica, the picture of it reminded me of a Acqua Di Gio Essenza, but it's not that. Yeah, and it has what I like about it, has this wooden cap, which is really unique. So there's the bottle. Yeah, it looks very nice. I love it. So let's see how this stacks up. Wow. Wow, very fresh. I get the mandarin orange, very citrusy, very bright. It has a nice pleasant opening. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of the original formulation, but this one's it's more modernized. Very nice. I love this one. I'm a big fan of it. Acqua Di Gio. It's probably my first designer fragrance I owned back in 1995 when I was in high school. So let's try out the original so I could get an impression of it. Yeah, this one is more floral. I feel like I pick up on a lot of florals. Now the note breakdown on this one, as you could see on the Fragrantica, is just tons going on in it. So it's a mixture of everything. But this, yeah, I really like this one. I kind of feel like it has a mixture of the few of the flankers, like the Acqua Di Gio from the original, a little bit of the Profondo, and maybe some of the Profuma as well, because I get a hint of reminder. Yeah, I think the Profumo is in here too. It's a little bit so it's a mixture of everything, so it smells really nice. But I'm gonna let these two dry down, and I'm gonna come back after an hour and see how the dry down smells versus the opening. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So it's been over an hour right now. I let the fragrance dry down and I'm just gonna test it out, see how it smells. So let's get right into it. Wow, as I'm smelling it right now, it just gives me a reminder of the Profumo and the Profondo and the original. It's like they took the original and the two other flankers and they mix it together. Very nice, good balance. It's got a musky, has this fresh and clean vibe to it, and I do pick up on some florals. Very nice, fresh and clean, gentle, easy to like. Yeah, and as it dries down for the base, we get that has a nice good depth to it with the added note of patchouli, and we get some woodiness from the vetiver and a slight hint of saltiness from the mineral notes. Yeah, this one's a very nice flanker. I'm just gonna smell the original. Yeah, this one's more floral. I feel like this one could be a little bit more feminine, but I don't know. But yeah, this one is very nice. It could work for the office, great office fragrance. It could be worn casually or formally, all situation, casual day wear, not at nighttime, evening. I feel like it's great for all ages. And what's great about this year's release, they got you could unscrew it, and it has that refillable big bottle, the 150 ml. You could buy that, so it's a little bit cheaper than buying the these ones, and it's environmental friendly, so you could refill it. And this one comes in 40 ml, 75 ml, and 125 ml. And this one's a great release. I feel like this one's gonna do really well, and I highly recommend you all going to the store, checking it out. But for me, I say if you like any of the Acqua Di Gios, be sure to check this one out. It's a really good release, and it's gonna be a sellout. I feel like it's gonna sell out pretty quick. And yeah, and I'm gonna give it a couple of wears for the next few weeks, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with my full review, let you know how the complement factor is, the longevity, and the projection. And we'll go on from there. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace.